Today I'm going to show you how to add multiple signatures in Docusign. This is particularly useful when you need several people to sign different parts of the same document, whether it's a contract, an agreement, or any official paperwork that requires multiple approvals. First, open your web browser and navigate to docusign.com. Once you're there, go ahead and log in using your credentials. After signing in, you'll be taken to your Docusign dashboard where you can manage all your documents and signing requests. Now look at the top toolbar and click on Agreements. This section is where you'll manage all your document signing activities, from creating new agreements to tracking existing ones. It's essentially your command center for everything related to Docusign. In the upper left corner of the screen, you'll see a button labeled Start Now. Click on it to begin creating your new document that will require multiple signatures. This initiates the process of preparing a document for signature. Next, click on Upload, then select Desktop from the options that appear. This tells Docusign that you'll be uploading a file from your computer rather than using a document that's already stored in the cloud or elsewhere. Navigate to the location where your file is saved. Select the document you want to add multiple signatures to, and click Open. The file will begin uploading to Docusign's platform. Depending on the size of your document, this might take a moment, so be patient while the upload completes. Once your document is uploaded, you'll need to add a recipient. Navigate to the recipient field and type the name of the person who will be signing the document in the text field provided. Below that, you'll see a field for the recipient's email address. Type in their email here. This email will be used to notify them that a document is ready for their signature. Now move down to the subject field and type in a subject line for your email notification. This helps the recipient understand what the document is about at a glance. Just below that, you'll find a message field. Enter any additional message or instructions you want to include. This could be context about the document or specific directions on what needs to be signed. When you're ready to move forward, click Next in the bottom right corner. This takes you to the signature placement screen where the real work happens. On the left sidebar, you'll see various field options. Click on Signature. This allows you to place signature fields throughout your document. Click on the document wherever you want the first signature to appear. The signature field will be placed at that location. Now here's the important part for adding multiple signatures. Continue adding more signature fields based on your preferences and the requirements of your document. You can place these fields on different pages or sections depending on where signatures are needed. Once you've placed all the necessary signature fields throughout your document, click Send in the bottom right corner. This will send the document to your recipient with all the signature fields you've configured, ready for them to complete. And that's it. You've successfully set up a document with multiple signature fields in Docusign. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.